Homemade hair masks, natural recipes for healthy hair care. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of DIY beauty, specifically natural hair care. We all know that beautiful, healthy hair can boost our confidence and make us feel amazing. But you don't need to break the bank on expensive hair treatments when you can create effective hair masks right in the comfort of your own home. Whether your hair needs some extra hydration, shine, or repair, we've got you covered with these easy, all-natural hair mask recipes. So, let's dive in and give your locks some well-deserved love. Mask 1, Hydrating Honey and Avocado Mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions: mash the avocado until it's smooth. Add honey and olive oil, then mix well. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Mask 2, Nourishing Coconut Milk and Egg Mask. Ingredients: half a cup of coconut milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: whisk together coconut milk, egg, and honey. Apply the mixture to your hair from roots to ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse with cold water and shampoo as usual. Mask 3, Strengthening Banana and Yogurt Mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Instructions: blend the banana, yogurt, and coconut oil until smooth. Apply the mixture evenly to your hair. Let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo. Mask 4, Shine Boosting Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse. Ingredients: a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water. Instructions: mix the apple cider vinegar and water. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair as a final rinse. Let it sit for a minute, then rinse thoroughly with cold water. Mask 5, Repairing Olive Oil and Egg Yolk Mask. Ingredients: 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: whisk egg yolks, olive oil, and honey together. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on damaged areas. Cover with a shower cap and leave for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo. There you have it, 5 fabulous homemade hair masks to address various hair concerns. Natural ingredients can work wonders for your hair's health and appearance, and the best part is you know exactly what you're putting on your hair. So, try these masks, see which one works best for you, and enjoy the results of your DIY hair care journey. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty tips, and share your hair mask success stories in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to happy, healthy hair.